Hello Lions, this is a video to help you figure out how to sign up for Learning Express in case you need help. So you're going to navigate to Learning Express in the databases, and when it opens up, you are going to come up here to sign in and register. When you sign in and register, you are going to register as a new user, and you're going to make sure that your institution is Frisco ISD. You are not a European Union citizen, and then you are going to put in your information here. You're going to use your FISD email, student email. And I would set your password to be your 8-digit birthday so that it's the same as the rest of your FISD password things. Once you do that, you should have an account set up here. So you can, this is where you'll be able to see all the things that you're going to do in Learning Express, and you can keep them in here. Okay, so that is a quick video on how to set up your Learning Express account. Let me know if you have any questions.